Hi mates, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first video which I am uploading to my YouTube channel. This channel will be related to web development and its technologies. Later on you will see multiple projects and some hacks and some commands which can you utilize to create a website. As you can see, when we go to input area and set the time, we will simply select it and click the set button. Now when we select it, it will set the alarm for that. Now after the time, when we reach the time which is it here showing 1925, then when we reach it, the alarm gets automatically triggered. Now this is the HTML which I have created for this project. As you can see, it has a main container which holds all the data. I've used a main container for the semantic markup. There is a div container which is holding all the elements which you are seeing on the screen. Now I have used the center tag which is used for centering all the elements inside of that div container. As you can see, everything is at the center place. Now there is a heading section, there is a digital alarm section, then there is an input area, as you can see, where we can set the alarm, which I am clicking and setting the values. There is a main section which is called the clock, which you are seeing on the screen. That is the clock. For that I have defined multiple divs which is representing different timestamps, hour hand, minute hand. These different timestamps are representing the 1 2 3, the all the time values which are inside of a clock are represented by this. Now coming to CSS, which is for the beautification of the website. Now what we are doing, we are setting the position relative and we are setting its top position value, its left position on the screen, its height, width, and its transformation. It's set the rotation value, in what degree I should rotate it. I have given each timestamp some value so that it will look like this. It will look like a regular clock. Also, I have provided some values to the second, minute, and hour hand. I have set a rotation variable to it so that I can change it with the help of JavaScript. So let's move to the JavaScript. Now coming to the JavaScript, as you can see, I have selected each and every element from the HTML page which are required me to change its value as per the time. So I have selected the second, minute, hour hand, then the digital hours values, and then I have selected the input button. There is an audio tag also which will execute the buzzer timing. Now I have created a variable time value, and then I have set it value to the value which is given in the input value. Now coming to this function, I have used a clock function which is running in every 1 second. Now I've created a date value which is storing the current date of today and its time value also. Now I've created a time variable which is holding this hour, minute, and seconds. Now coming to down below, as we can see that I have selected this hour hand, setting its rotation value to the value given here. Now what is happening here, we are simply dividing 360 degree by 12 to get the hour movement, and we are dividing 60 by 360 to get the minute movement, and same as for the second. Now for the digital hour, I have directly stored the values because I am getting the current value as I have set, and which was updated in every 1 second. Now what I have done, I have created a current time value. In that I have stored hour and minute. Now I am checking if the current time will be equal to the time value. What is the time value which I am entering inside of the input value? When I will click the button, it will get stored. Now if it get equals to the current time value, the audio which I have set it here, so when I will click on that, the audio will get played, and when the current time which is updating in every 1 second will get more than the time value which we have set, the audio get automatically passed. Also, I have done some creativity. I have used Lord Shiva photo as the background of my website, and I have made the clock look like it is coming as an energy ball from the hand of Lord Shiva.